Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sign up on the Bitget app in 2025. If you are new to the app or just getting into crypto trading, you are in the right place. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, make sure you have already downloaded the Bitget app from the Google Play Store. Now on the main page, you see the option to get started. Click on get started. Next, you'll be asked to enter your phone number or email address. Choose whichever one you prefer. In this case, I'll use my email. Now create a strong password and make sure that you meet up all these criteria. Once you have entered your information, tap on the agree to terms and conditions. Make sure you read through them first so you know that what you are agreeing to. Then click on create account. Bitget will now send a verification code to your email or phone. Check your inbox or message and enter the code in the app. To fully activate your account, you may need to complete KYC verification. This will involve uploading a valid ID and possibly a selfie to verify your identity. Don't worry, it's a quick process and ensure your account is secure. Once you have completed everything, you'll be successfully signed up and logged into your new Bitget account. And that's how you sign up on the Bitget app in 2025. If you have any trouble during the process, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll help you out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like, share and subscribe button, and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.